Having any complaints?
Besides being stressed from work,
I saw the same
seeing a lot of
complaints
people,
as me.
seeing a lot of people, patients
Yeah.
stressing me out, wife stressing me out,
Oh no.
kids, life,
How many? Ooh,
lifing.
this side is not happy.
Yeah, you can feel the tightness. Yeah, I'm tight all over the place.
You are.
Yeah.
Yeah, that right side not happy.
I know.
I'm gonna do this side first. What's that?
Ooh, like you hear that thing in your ear, like it's loud. Like people don't understand. Like
No.
you know, we get adjusted, but like when the patients when they start making all those noises, like this man, wow.
We don't hear what they hear.
Right.
These joints by your ears.
That
so
was
it's like
yeah,
loud.
exactly. That was like super loud.